Hello everyone, I am Monica from this IELTS 9 channel. So in advance, if I ask you to subscribe and like my channel, you will not be doing it. So after finishing this video, after watching this full video, definitely please subscribe and like my video. So this really gives me a good motivation. That's I'm going to help lot of people. Okay. So here my main topic is in 14 minutes, how can we finish 14 questions? Not too difficult, okay? I will show how you can do it. So initially when you will be looking for first question, first for finding the first question answer, sometimes it takes time. But when you will be reading, suppose you are looking for third question. If so for finding third question, sometimes you can read 3-4 sentences or 2-3 sentences, but when you will be reading for fourth question, then you will find that I have already read this statement. So some questions will take time to find and some question you will find it within seconds. Okay, let's start this reading. So this reading name is Transition Care for the Elderly. Okay, for academic students, don't go. This is a good exercise for true false not given. Initially, if you are having problems in finding true false not given, then you can start practice with these kinds of simple readings. Okay, so these are not very simple. I am not telling that these are simple one. Okay, let's start this reading. So these are true false not given for this reading passage we have here. So I will be doing it reading by one. Okay. So first question, only hospital patients can go on have to transition care. So this, of course, this word we will find it throughout the passage. So this is not my keyword, but yes, for starting you can just read it. And only hospital patients can go on have to have transition care. Hospital patients only, hospital patients we need to find it. Okay, let's read it from the first line only. So first line, transition care is for older people who have been receiving medical treatment. It means they are related to medical hospital but need more help to recover time to make a transition about the best place for them to live in the longer term. Okay, so it means transition care for those people who are only hospital patients. So that is a true thing. Medical, those who are receiving medical treatment, it means they are hospital patients. So this is true because it was given. So we have, this question has passed this criteria also. Only hospital patients, they are describing only, I will show you, they are describing receiving medical treatment. Elderly people who have been receiving medical treatment, it means they are hospital patients. Second, transition care may be long term or short term. Okay, so we have come across this word longer term. Okay, so maybe long term or short term, but there it was given long term only. Let's read the sentence again. So long term is also given. So transition care they were talking about in second. Medical treatment but need more help to recover time to make a decision about the best place for them to live in the longer term. You can only access transition directly from the hospital. Okay, so longer term, so it means transition care is only for longer term, not for short term. So it is false. Next, third one, everyone receiving transition care must is important word. So you need to look for the word must, but indirectly you will get contribute to the cost. It means everyone receiving, so those patients receiving transition care must pay for the treatment and all. So this is my keyword. So you can look, we have read till up to this paragraph. So I am looking for cost. So you have to read it like that only. Okay, so cost word is there. It means I will be start reading from here. Transition care is often provided by non-government organizations, means NGOs, and is subsidized by the government. If the circumstances allow, it is expected that you will contribute to the cost of your care. It is expected. It means it is not must, it is not compulsory. So it means that answer is false. Here it is saying must, and there it was saying only expecting or you can. Otherwise, there is no compulsory to pay the fees. Okay, fourth, transition care at home is only available for patients who live alone. Okay, for patients, we have come to know that patients at home, they were giving only for patients, but who live alone, that we need to find it. So these are the three paragraphs we have left. Where do I receive? Home, home word is also here, so we have read about this and all. So home is here. Transition care is provided in your home or in living setting. This setting can be a part of home healthy facilities such as a separate wing of hospital. So but they are not talking about in your home who live alone, so it means not given will be. So not given, this is not given. Transition care may be given on a hospital site. Okay, so site word was there. So site word is also here, you can just look at. Is provided in your home or live-in setting. This setting can be a part of an aged care home or health facility such as a separate wing of a hospital. It means a site at a hospital they are talking about. What will be the answer? So site word they are not saying indirectly. They have used the word as a separate wing of hospital. It means that is a true answer. Okay. 6th number. You may lose your place. You may lose your place in a care home if you have to leave to receive transition care. If you have to leave from hospital to receive transition care, you may lose your place in a care home. Okay. So here in the last paragraph they are saying, let's read it through a different. If you are already receiving subsidized residential care in an aged care home, but you need to go somewhere. So it was given in the question statement somewhere else or for transition care. Your place in care home will be held until you return. It means they are saying opposite thing. Here they are saying you may lose your place, and in this here it was saying you may your place will be held until you return. So it means this is false. Okay. Now the next section. Same in the section 1, second paragraph, 7 to 14 questions. Always read the title, cabin bags for air travel. They are talking about cabin bags, and please don't don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, so we have this kind of reading passage, you can see. Let's look at the type of question. Now for 7 to 14 question, we have 5 paragraphs as I shown you. Which paragraph mentions the following? So it means finding the information from this thing. So you may use letter more than once and A2 in boxes 7 to 14 on your answer sheet. It means in answer sheet in front of these question numbers you will be writing these alphabets. Let's look at these options. The zips on this cabin bag may be difficult to use. The zips, okay. Cabin bag will be there everywhere, may be difficult to use. Okay, difficult to use. Second is for this type of question you need to read the options first and then you will go to the paragraph. This cabin bag may be badly damaged if it is dropped. The handles of this cabin bag have a number of different problems. Okay, this cabin bag is very resistant to water. There is a good choice of patterns. Okay, for fabric, pattern of fabric of this cabin bag. This cabin bag isn't very easy to move around. It is not very easy to move around. Okay, some problem may be in the tires maybe, or maybe heaviness. 13. This bag has just one internal zipped pocket. Okay. 14. The trolley handle of this cabin is adjustable. The trolley handle. Okay, now we have come to know that these are the information. Now let's move on to the passage. Now what is first number? Ultra light cabin bag which withstand can pretty harsh treatment. Its nylon polyester sides won't rip or burst upon it's dropped or thrown while in transit. Okay, won't burst. Okay. However, the trolley handle word was here and handle was here. Feels quite thin and flimsy. Trolley handles thin and flimsy. The top carrying handle is hard and flat and side handle isn't easy to grip. So they are talking about handle. Let's read the option. So here, so handle of this cabin bag is adjustable. No, they are not talking about this thing. Okay, the handles of this cabin bag have a number of different problems. Yes, they are talking about different problems. You can see it. Thin and flimsy, is hard and flat, and isn't easy to grip. So for this, I will be writing A number for this. So I have cut it from my list of options. Now second. Now B paragraph says has two external pockets, okay, which are zipped and lockable, but the inside pocket does not zip. We found the contents remain dry when given a good soaking even around the zips. Good soaking means water resistance. So good soaking, so it is also B answer. So the cabin bag is very resistant to water. Now I am cutting it from my list of options. Now another line, the trolley handle has a choice of two heights and the plastic hand grip doesn't have any sharp ridges that will make your hand sore. For carrying, there are fabric handles at the top and side. So fabric also word is also there. Trolley handle, let's read the trolley handle option. So trolley handle, so one we have cut out, handle of this is adjustable. Yes, it is adjustable at two heights it was given, so it means B answer will come. And fabric word was also there in B paragraph. There is a good choice of patterns. No, they are not talking about fabric patterns of this cabin bag. No. Let's move to C paragraph. Now in C, the Foxton is easy to control, access most surfaces. However word is there, now it means answer will be around. The zips don't always run smoothly, especially around the corners, and so you may have to give them a good tug, especially if the case is very full. Okay, in first, so yeah, so zip they are giving problems. So let's look. So here in the second number, the zips on this cabin bag may be difficult to use. So this C will come. I will show you because they were displaying that zips were giving problems. So in C, they are saying, however, the zips don't always run smoothly, especially around the corners, and also it means problems in zip. Okay, so let's read it full. This is definitely one to avoid if you are going somewhere in rainy, as it gets lots of water in. So don't get confused. They are again discussing about water and all, but that was the answer for resistance to water. That is not the answer for this. Okay, D number. The sky bag has a single external zipped pocket and single external zipped pocket, and another located inside the lid. So zipped pocket inside. There is one pocket option was there. So one pocket option was there. Yeah, this cabin bag has just one internal pocket zip, so it means D will come for this. Okay, so I am cutting it from my list, and this also, so you can just cut the line whatever you have chosen. Now this we have done, two pockets, this we have. Now let's read another one. Your clothes are kept in place by two adjustable straps. The zips are easy to grip and all. However, this cabin bag felt a little heavy to pull on both smooth floors, and it was hard to steer compared with some other suitcases. Yes, there was some option. Again, however word is also there, so there is some answer. Cabin bag felt a little heavy to pull on but smooth floor. Okay, let's look at the option. So there was one, yeah, the cabin bag isn't very easy to move around, so this was the option for D paragraph again. Okay, so in the paragraph, so in this paragraph also we have found two answers. Let's read at the last option. Is available in a huge range of fabric designs. Okay, without reading you can also give answer for this fabric design, but let's read the another, including leopard print or lipstick cases. A trolley handle is comfortable but can't be adjustable to this. So they are talking about fabric designs. So fabric design is here. So E will come. Now we have left. Okay, this one is left. This one is left. Already we have done everything. Okay, so let's find where is 8th number. Now we have left this much. Comfortable but can't be adjusted to use. There is no internal divider, but there are two handy zip pockets. We test each bag by letting it fall. Okay, onto a hard floor. Our results show that you will have to treat this bag with great care if you want to it. The fabric tore so badly at one of the corners it was unusable. Okay, let's read the option again. May be badly damaged if it dropped. So of course E will come for this. You can just match it. Here they are saying is comfortable. Okay, we test each bag by letting it fall onto a hard floor. Our results that you will have to treat this bag with great care. It means it will damage if you just fall it on the floor. Now in this way we have completed all 14 questions in 14 minutes. Okay, thank you so much.